like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
What's up, my dear crypto people? I hope that you are doing fine. I hope that you are not melting. In this video I will show you one of the highest paying Litecoin FaucetPay crypto faucets. I have made a video a long time ago about this site, but it's really praiseworthy. It's still online. So for all of those of you who have missed it, let me show you, okay? So as always guys, you will need to have a FaucetPay account to be able to claim this free Litecoin. I will leave a link for all of these sites in the description below, so check that out. Okay guys, so here's some basic FAQ. I'm just gonna scroll through here if you are interested in reading this. So yeah. Anyways guys, this is the place where we need to paste our Litecoin address. So to do that, we go to our FaucetPay and we copy our Litecoin address. And then we paste it here. Once we paste the address, we scroll down and click claim now. Or no, wait, we go down. We click here, solve captcha. Okay, so we need to do this simple captcha. So guys, to be able to claim this free crypto, you will need to complete a shortlink, okay? There's 5 claims per day. Remember guys, don't use a VPN, proxy Tor, no bots, automation or bypassing, okay? So let's do this. Most of the time the first few shortlinks will be really easy. So this time we got the �R𝐮𝐿ink shortlink, so I will disable my ad block. And let's do this. So we will get some pop-up ads. You close the pop-up ad and click here to continue. Close the pop-up ad and let's go. Click to verify. Close the pop-up ad and we wait these 10 seconds. So yeah guys, Litecoin, amazing crypto, definitely one of my favorites. I like Litecoin a lot. So yeah, we click continue and generate link. We wait another 10 seconds. If the timer doesn't start right away, you should click on the screen to get rid of the pop-up ad and then the timer will continue. We click go to URL. And now I believe that we are on the last step. We need to wait these 10 seconds. And after that I believe that we will receive the crypto. We click get link. That's it guys, 1552 Litoshis, so definitely one of the highest paying Litecoin faucets. If you like claiming Litecoin, definitely join this crypto faucet. Okay guys, before I show you the payment proof, I just wanted to say that I will be making another crypto giveaway when we get to 20 subscribers on my Telegram channel, okay? So I will be giving away again either Dogecoin or TRX. I will see. I have also shared one mobile phone app on my Telegram channel. The name is Crypto Idle Miner. On this app you can earn free crypto. You can earn HORA tokens and you can withdraw them to your MetaMask, either to your BSC network or to the Polygon network. So definitely check that out if you like earning crypto on your mobile phone. Okay guys, so here's the payment proof for the Litecoin faucet. As you can see, 1500 Litoshis, really nice praiseworthy amount for this easy shortlink. A nice payment, okay, so definitely this is one of the highest paying Litecoin crypto faucets online. So if you like Litecoin, make sure to join through the link in the description below. Thanks a lot for watching, my dear people, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.